Welcome back, guys. We're in a different community today, right off Shampton Road in Steele Creek, South Charlotte, right? So if you're familiar with South Charlotte, familiar with Steele Creek, you know this is the new area. This is the new spa in Charlotte. Today I'm here at the My Home, a very small community, 75 home, and I want to give you a quick tour. But before I give you a quick tour of this home, I wanted to show you why you do want to consider this community, okay? 2 reasons why you want to consider this community. First one, let's get in the car. I'll drive. It's 5 minutes away from here and I'll show you. And the second one, once after I give you the tour of the first house, I'll show you the second reason why you wanted to be on this community. Okay, let's go. So I'm driving to reason number 1, which is 5 minutes away from this community, okay? And give me just 1 second. I will turn my camera around and show you reason number 1 you will want to consider this community. Well, guys, let's go take a look at this brand new community that just opened up last month. It is a beautiful property, beautiful community. So I run across this neighborhood, and as we were driving back, I noticed there was a sign for Party Home right across the street. So I turned, and what do I find? A brand new community being built by Party Home right here next to the sanctuary. They will have about 75 homes total. They just started, so we went in, we toured the home. I'll give you guys a tour of one of the model homes that they have, and I'll give you a tour of one that they just finished, just to kind of give you an idea on what they have, how it looks, and let me know what you think. Let's go take a look. So this model home that we're about to tour is called the Avienmore. It is a little over 3,000 square foot, 5 bedroom, 4 full bath, has a bedroom downstairs with a full bath downstairs, and has a very large loft area upstairs, a very spacious primary bedroom. Wait till you see the primary bedroom. I was blown away. But come on, enough talk. Let me show you around. Look how spacious this loft is. Very large. They have a foosball table in the middle and still have enough space to put a sectional couch on the other end. Can still have an entertainment area. Welcome to the primary suite. My favorite part in this house. Look how large that place is. All the windows. 4, 5, 6 different windows to give you the daylight. Then you have that small nook. You can make a small office, a reading area. I mean, there's so many things you can do with that little small nook on the side. Then you walk into the primary suite, the primary bathroom, and you can just literally can make a room out of this primary bathroom. Look how large this primary bathroom is. A shower that can fit in a whole family, a family of 4. Walk through to the closet, large enough where you can even put a small island if you want to in that closet. I mean, this home is, for me, has it all. Now that you have seen it, let's go and tour one that is completed so you can see what it looks like without the furniture. You can just see it yourself what it looks like without the furniture. Come on, let's go. And now let's talk about the second reason why you would want to be in this community. In fact, I almost missed it. Let me turn my camera around and I'll show you, okay? So this is the community. You can see the builder sign out front. And as we are driving, before we even turn left and go to this community, let's go right. And I'll show you why you wanted to consider this community. It is called the Sanctuary. Now, let me tell you a little bit about the Sanctuary. If you're from Charlotte or if you're familiar with Charlotte, the Sanctuary, there is no home for sale in the Sanctuary less than $2 million. That's how precious this community is. I'm going to turn my camera around and show you around a little bit. I just wanted to give you a little reason why. We just turned around, we made it right, and right across we are in the Sanctuary. It is a very reserved community. Most of the homes have acreage. So you may see some, you may not see some because it's very private. But let me turn my camera around and show you around a little bit before we go look at the house, okay? Those are some of the homes in the Sanctuary. Here's another mansion. Another one. You can tell it is a very settled, old neighborhood with a lot of characters. There's a big mansion in front of us. Now, this is the community across the street, literally across the street from the Sanctuary. Now, this is the same floor plan, Avienmore, without the furniture. You can see for yourself how big this home is, how large the home is, all the features, as you can tell, the wainscoting, the crown molding, the recessed light, the island, everything. The home has it all. The hood over the gas stove, this home has it all. Come on, I will be quiet now and let you tour it for yourself. I hope you guys had fun watching this video. Just a quick on-site FYI. I met with the agent on site and he was telling me that the builder is running a special where they are paying up to 6% toward your closing cost. That can be used to buy the rate down on a 2-1 starting at 5.5 per year. There are great incentive going on. So if you are interested, reach out to me. My phone number is below and I'll put you in contact with the agent on site and perhaps take you to show you this beautiful property. Until then, see you next time.